Does your leafy fam have you drowning in watering cans? Are you tired of tippy-toeing around with flimsy plastic jugs that leak like a toddler's sippy cup? Well, fear not, foliage fanatics, because Tools Query is here to find the best watering can for your indoor garden. We've got leaky plastic pretenders, fancy metal fellas, and even some ergonomic Einsteins. So grab your favorite plant pals, settle in for a verdant adventure, and let's find the watering can that'll make your houseplants high-five you with their leaves. Number 1. Tennedriv Green 9625 Watering Can. The Tennedriv Green 9625 Watering Can has a small ergonomic design that makes it easy to carry and pour, even when full. The watering can have a wide opening for easy water injection and a high front lip to prevent water from spilling out the top. The watering can is made of high-strength, thickened PP resin, which makes it durable and long-lasting. The spray head can be detached so that you can choose between a steady stream or a gentle shower, depending on the needs of your plants. Number 2. WhaleLife WL-WC-1.4GREEN Watering Can. The watering can have a sleek and modern design that will look great in any home or garden. The transparent pot body allows you to see the water level clearly, so you can easily control the amount of water you're using. It can have a large water storage capacity of 1.4 liters, so you can water your plants less often. The watering can have a comfortable handle and a long spout, making it easy to water your plants without spilling any water. Number 3. OKREK Indoor Plants Watering Can. This watering can feature an extra long spout that makes it a breeze to water even those hard-to-reach plants. It's made of high-grade plastic. Its thick walls ensure it won't easily age or get damaged. It's compact, portable, and perfectly balanced when full. You can easily control the stream, making it a joy to use, whether indoors or outdoors. The OKREK watering can have a thoughtfully designed handle that ensures a comfortable grip while carrying and pouring. Number 4. LTSUMI WCC Indoor Plants Watering Can. The watering can is made of durable stainless steel, leak-proof, rust-resistant, scratch-resistant, anti-corrosion, and long-lasting without fading. The indoor watering can have a round, comfortable wooden handle that is easy to grasp and won't cut your hands. The long spout watering can offer 1,000 milliliters or 35-ounce capacity. It is long and thin, delivers the water precisely where you aim it with no spills, and can reach small places without spilling on your table. Number 5. HB Design Indoor Watering Can. This small metal watering can has a generous capacity of 35 fluid ounces, which means you can hydrate all your beloved houseplants in one go. It's perfectly compact, measuring just 11.2 by 5.3 inches. Ideal for easy storage in small homes, the HB Design Indoor Watering Can is crafted from stainless steel, ensuring it remains rust-free even in humid conditions. The long neck of this watering can allow you to easily reach all your plants, whether hanging, wall-mounted, or on your tabletop. Thanks for watching. Remember, the best watering can is the one that makes you and your plants happy. If you have any questions or personal watering can heroes you want to shout out, leave a comment below. Let's keep this plant party going, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Tools Query Tool Showdowns.